What if you could build a YouTube channel that earns money 24/7 without showing your face, without using your voice, and without spending hours editing? Welcome to Universal Wealth Official, where AI meets income. Your home for AI-powered faceless YouTube automation. We believe financial independence is possible for anyone, as long as you're willing to put in the work. That's our creed. We're not here for hype. We're here to equip creators, entrepreneurs, and dreamers with the tools, strategies, and systems to succeed online, anonymously. Whether you're camera shy, pressed for time, or just starting out, this channel was built for you. On this channel, you'll learn how to build faceless YouTube channels using AI step-by-step video creation workflows, how to automate editing, voiceovers, and publishing, and how to turn your content into multiple streams of passive income through affiliate marketing, digital products, and smart monetization. We show you exactly how to go from idea to channel to cash flow. So if you're ready to stop watching from the sidelines, if you want to build scalable digital income using AI and automation, and if you believe in earning quietly while letting your systems do the work, hit subscribe, because this isn't just a YouTube channel, it's your roadmap to faceless freedom. Universal Wealth Official. Let's build wealth smarter.